short video for the new bypass road in Sigma Capiz. The sky looks beautiful. This is the new road, as you can see. The cemented road is still beautiful because this is the new road, the new bypass road.